baby. Welcome back to Project Frankenstein. So one thing I discovered, thanks to some Facebook comments on the old Facebook, I forgot to put the block plate on. For some reason, I was thinking it went on the transmission side. It goes on the motor side. So luckily for me, that means I get to take it all off again. So I need to take all this stuff off, put the block plate back on, put all the stuff back on, put the transmission on, and get this bad boy in there. So I'm not entirely thrilled about that. Hopefully I'll get a buddy over here to help me out with it when it comes to taking the flywheel off. That's the only thing that concerns me, because I don't know if I have the ratchet size for holding the engine from spinning so I can loosen the flywheel bolts. But that's what we're going to start doing now. So boom. Yeah, we're going to do that. And it's going to be a lot of that and a lot of that. So yeah, boom. Just when you thought you were done seeing me mess with the flywheel and pressure plate, we're back at it. Boom. Gotta take that bad boy off. And we'll be good to go. Yeah. I guess if there's a good side to all this, it's the fact I already know what to do, which is nice. Now let's just see how fast, oh, what am I doing? Now let's just see how fast I can get it done. Of course I don't remember the size. That's way too big. This is how I figure out the size. I just keep guessing until one of them works. Like that, boom, that's it. Now here comes the tough part. Let's see if I can get the flywheel off without a second set of hands. I'm gonna try and take a ratchet on the back side and see if I can get that to I don't know, stay against something to support it, and then hopefully I can loosen them on this end. All right, boom. Really need a second set of hands because it's too far to reach from one side to the other. Poor fiance, I always make her do car stuff, but she held the other side, which was actually a recommendation from Alex, because I don't know why I wasn't even thinking about that. But she was able to help me hold it, and I was able to get those bolts all loose. So now I'm going to take the flywheel off so I can put that plate back on. Boom. Awesome. Flywheel's off. Now I can put the block plate back on. Once I get that, and the flywheel, boom, boom, boom. boom, baby. So now I just gotta tighten them down and we'll be good to go. All right, my buddy Sam at Southwest Truck and Diesel, boom. He was able to help me out, so I'm gonna torque him down to 55 pounds, baby, boom. Awesome, check it out. We got everything put back together. This is good to go. We just need the clutch fork, which I'll probably put in right as we're doing everything. I could do that now. And then I was just scraping and cleaning this up a little bit more. I'm not terribly worried about this as long as it's nothing too severe. But there we go, boom, baby. What I want to see now is if I can get this transmission lined up and put this back myself. I don't know if that's going to be possible. I do have a surprise buddy coming over to help me, hopefully either later tonight or tomorrow. So if I can't, we'll just do it then. I am extremely excited that I got it fixed back up. I just don't know how I'm going to be able to keep everything lined up, you know, to like put the bolts on. But I think what I'll do first is I'll clean up this edge real quick for the transmission, and then once I get that cleaned up, I'll see if I can line it up. If I can't, then we'll just wait for backup to help me with just holding everything, so to speak. So I found all my transmission bolts. So I think they look really good. I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit before I throw them back in. Boom. I think I'm sitting pretty good. I'm just cleaning up my clutch fork a little bit just to make sure there's nothing around any of the contact points. And then I'm gonna try and see if I can get this bad boy together. See if I can get all this put back together where all I need is when somebody comes over to help, we just gotta push it, you know, push it in. That'd be perfect. All right, boom, baby. Well, I think that's a good end for part one. I do, however, plan on making another video either today or tomorrow because I want to get this done. But I really need a second set of hands to line all this up. And I'm pretty positive somebody will come to help me later. So for now, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna wrap up, and then I'll either come back out later tonight or tomorrow, and boom, baby. Hey, this is pretty good progress though. I mean, honestly. All right, boom.